How to make a Wells Fargo credit card payment. To make a payment, you have multiple options. So the first thing that you can do is either through online or via mobile app. For that, simply open up your web browser or Chrome or simply your Wells Fargo mobile app. In the search bar, search for wellsfargo.com. Then this page will open. And in the top right corner, you can see this menu bar. Right beside it, there is a sign on page. Click on it. Now put in your username and your password and simply click on sign on. Once you're signed in, choose the particular credit card payment that you want to make. Once you've chosen your credit card account, there you will see make a payment option. Simply click on it. From there, choose your funding account, whether a Wells Fargo deposit account or any external bank account. Then type in the amount you wish to pay. Then simply click on submit or schedule your payment. One more way you can do it is through phone. You can simply call their customer service number and they will guide you through it. One more way you can do it is to physically visit the Wells Fargo ATM. From there, deposit your cash or check into the Wells Fargo ATM. Then you can pay your balance from there. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.